Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to reconnect Birdfy to the Wi-Fi. So guys, if you want to reconnect Birdfy to the Wi-Fi, so guys, it is very easy. First of all, prepare your phone. Turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and open your Birdfy app. Second step is remove the camera. For removing, simply open the app, then tap the option of your current Birdfy devices and delete the unbind so you can add it to new. Step 3, start pairing mode. Press and hold the power button on the camera for 3 seconds and turn it on. Then double press the power button. You should hear at the periodic chime and blue light will start flashing. Then add devices. You just press the plus icon in the bottom right corner and select your specified Birdfy model. Then follow the app instruction to scan the QR code located on the camera and wait for the app to detect your device. Then guys, you select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Okay, so this is the way that you connect at 2.4 GHz. If 5 GHz Wi-Fi issue, so app failed to connect. So confirm your router is not combining 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network under one name. Okay, so sometimes outdoor devices are sensitive to placement. If your connection drops, so try moving the feeder temporarily closer to your router to stabilize the initial connection. For more Wi-Fi center. Okay, so when you go to the option here, so here you see this is our Birdfy official website. Okay, so by in the frequently troubleshooting step, you can choose your problem. Okay, so this is the way guys that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.